Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic why listening is important to learn English. Many students focus only on grammar and vocabulary. They read books and write sentences, but they forget one very important skill listening. If you want to speak English fluently, you must improve your listening skill. So, let's understand why listening is so important. Listening helps you learn correct pronunciation. When you listen to English, you hear the correct pronunciations of words. When you listen carefully, you learn how words sound, how sentences flow, where to stress words. Listening helps your brain remember the correct sound. Listening improves your speaking. Listening and speaking are connected. When you listen more, you learn natural sentences. You learn how people start and end conversations. You learn common expression. For example, instead of saying, I am very happy, you may hear someone say, I am really excited. Listening gives you real life English. If you listen daily, your speaking becomes more natural. Listening builds vocabulary naturally. When you read vocabulary from a book, you may forget it. But when you hear words again and again in different situations, you remember them easily. For example, if you listen to English stories or podcast, you will hear common words many times. Your brain learns without pressure. This is called natural learning. Listening improves understanding. In real life, people speak fast. If you only practice reading and writing, you may understand English on paper, but you may not understand when someone speaks. Listening practice train your eyes. At first, it may be difficult. You may not understand everything. That is normal, but slowly your understanding become better. Listening increase confidence. When you understand spoken English, you feel more confident. You are not afraid in conversation. You can reply quickly. Confidence is very important for speaking English, and listening gives you that confidence. Listening helps you think in English. When you listen daily, your brain starts listening, thinking in English. You stop translate from Hindi to English. You understand directly in English. This is a big step in learning fluency. How to improve listening skill? Now the question is, how can you improve your listening? Here are some simple tips. Listen to English songs, watch English movies with subtitles, listen to podcasts, watch English news, listen to YouTube videos daily, repeat what you hear, shadow practice. Start with 10 to 15 minutes daily. Consistency is more important than long hours. Conclusion. So, today we learned that English is very important because it improves pronunciation, it helps speaking, it builds vocabulary, it increases understanding, it gives confidence, it helps you think in English. If you really want to speak English fluently, start listening every day. Remember, good speakers are always good listeners first. Thank you for listening this video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.